Welcome to FreePayroll. Your payroll experience just got smarter, faster, and a lot more intuitive. Today we're going to walk through how to use the Create a Correction feature in FreePayroll. This feature is particularly useful when need to reopen a payroll run to fix a mistake. Let's get started. On the left-hand side panel, click on Payroll, then select History. Here you'll find a list of your previous payroll runs. Locate the one you'd like to correct and click the Create a Correction button. Once you've clicked that button, you'll be taken to a new page presenting three options. One employee. Choose this if you want to keep the correction precise and focused on a single person. Multiple employees. Use this if you need to correct a selected group together while still keeping the scope controlled. Entire payroll. Reserve this option for situations where the correction genuinely affects the full payroll run. For today's example, we'll be selecting multiple employees. Once selected, click Continue. You'll now be prompted to choose which employees you'd like to include in this correction. Tick the relevant names, and when you're ready, click Continue to review. A summary screen will now appear, showing you the payroll run you're correcting, as well as any additional payrolls that will need to be closed as part of FreePayroll's correction chain. When you're happy to proceed, click Start Correction. Please bear in mind, once you click Start Correction, you'll need to see the process through to completion before you're able to run payroll again, or open another pay run for correction. Should you be unable to finish at that moment, don't worry. The home page will display an alert reminding you that a correction is currently in progress, so you can pick up right where you left off. Now let's carry out the actual corrections. In this example, we'll be doing two things. First, adding a pay item that was originally missed, and second, updating the hours worked for one of the employees. Go ahead and make those changes directly within the correction run. Once you're satisfied with all the changes, click Submit Payroll. A confirmation modal will appear, summarizing the correction. Now, if there are additional payrolls in the correction chain that still need to be closed, you'll be automatically redirected to each of them in sequence. Simply work through the remaining runs until the entire chain has been completed. Only then will the process be fully finalized and your payroll ready to run again. And there you have it, a full walkthrough of the Create a Correction feature in FreePayroll. Whether you're fixing a missed pay item, adjusting hours, or correcting an entire payroll run, this feature gives you the flexibility to put things right without starting from scratch. Thank you for using FreePayroll, where powerful payroll meets an effortless experience.